This is my 1972 International 1110. This truck runs really good. It needs some work on it, but today I'm going to show you around and work on the temperature sensor. As you can see, the paint still needs some work. I think the previous owner just spray painted because I can see some paint running down. And then he tried to cover the holes right here. We have some rust on the doors. It needs to get fixed too. As you can see, we have rust in the tailgate too. And the bed, it's not so good. I mean, there's no rust in the bed, it's a good thing, but he just painted it black. Spray painted black. So what I'm gonna try to do is remove the paint, sand it, and put some bed liner. The interior looks really good. Bed sheet is good. Seat belt's working. Everything looks good on the interior except the little cover underneath the steering column. But besides that, the interior is pretty good. It's pretty straight. So what I'm gonna be working on today is the temperature sensor. It's not sending any readings. I'm not sure if it's a temperature sensor or the gauge inside the truck. If it's a gauge, most likely I'm gonna change it for a good working aftermarket sensor and gauge. So here I just put the wire around it and it looks good like that, but I know I need the connection, so I just did a little fixer up for now. That's the old sensor I removed. This is the new one I just bought from O'Reilly's. I hope it works. If it doesn't, then have to go aftermarket. So right now I'm just putting on the sensor. It's kind of hard to get it with one hand. It's a 16mm ratchet. So I got the socket on there. I'm gonna get that ratchet and tie it really good. Right now I'm just gonna snug it really tight, and then I'll check for leaks. If it's not leaking, I'll just continue with my work. So there you go, it's really snug now. One more time, let's see what happens. Hope I don't break it. Now, again, how I had it, because I don't have the connector that goes in there. So, I'm just gonna wrap it around and tie it really good. See how it works. So I'm gonna give that wire really straight.
Five hours later.
This is my end result. I just wrapped the wire around the sensor, and if it sends good signal, I will not have to put another sensor. Right now I don't have a fan because my other fan messed up my radiator. So let's hope this sensor works like that. If it doesn't, like I said before, I'm gonna have to go with the aftermarket sensors and gauges. So I hope it works good. So that's all for today, guys. I will be posting more videos on about my truck. This is just a little idea I had on the side. I got this tank from a junkyard, and I'm gonna connect it to my new radiator so I can have an overflow tank. Because I saw some online and they're really expensive, and I went to the junkyard and found this one for like $3. So this is gonna be another little fix so I can have an overflow tank for my radiator. So this is my engine. It's gonna 345. Everything's working really soft right now. It runs good, sounds good. It's just my radiator and cooling system that's messing up, but other than that, the truck runs good.